Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone speaker being too low. So let's get started. Now, the very first thing you want to ensure that your phone is not in silent mode. So for this, you can go ahead into your setting on your iPhone, go to Sounds and Haptics, and then see where it says silent mode. Make sure this is turned off. And if you have a toggle, you want to make sure the toggle is pointing upward. So for example, on this phone, right, if you have an older toggle, you want to make sure that toggle is not on red. So that's one thing. And also make sure the volume is turned up. So this is the volume up button. So you just press and hold to make sure it's turned up all the way as well. And then you can also turn it up this way using the sound slider as well. Now along with that, the next thing you want to go check out in the Sounds and Haptics is where you have built-in speaker limit. Now you want to ensure that this limit is not set because it'll limit your thing. So you want to turn that off. And then there's also ability to check that limit, so you want to make sure that it is turned off in no ways. Now if you have headphone safety, it's another setting that you want to check out. You want to make sure this is turned off as well, but if it is turned on at the minimum, you want to make sure it is in somewhere in the middle or upper, but I recommend turning that setting off as well. Now, along with that, the next thing to go ahead and troubleshooting is if you recently put on a new case, make sure it doesn't block the speakers down here. This is where the speakers are. And if your case is blocking it, you're not going to hear. And also check if there's any dust. Sometimes dust and lint can build up over time from your pockets, using it, and that could clog up the speakers, making your speaker sound very low. So you want to make sure that is cleaned out. And then after that, also make sure that your phone is not on Do Not Disturb. So pull down or pull up the control menu where it says Focus here. You want to ensure that it doesn't say Do Not Disturb is turned on. If it is, just simply tap on it or any of the modes here. That will also make your phone speaker too low. Now, after you have followed those steps, it's time to also check out that your iPhone is not being routed somewhere else for the speaker. So in your settings, in your Bluetooth, you want to check that it is not connected to another device. If it is, of course, you're not going to get the sound on your iPhone. So I recommend is turning it off and seeing what that does for you. And then you can always turn it back on if you realize there's a device accidentally connected to your like an iPhone speaker, another car speaker or something like that. Now, after you check that in your settings, now you're going to come down to accessibility. And this time you're going to check out touch here and then go down here where it says call audio routing. You want to ensure that it is selected to auto. And then after that, you also want to go back here into accessibility. Under hearing aid, you want to ensure this is turned off unless you're using audio hearing aid. If you are using it one, of course you want to make sure this is on, but if you're not using it, you want to turn that off, and that will make your speaker sound low as well. Now after you have done all of this and it's still not working, go ahead and follow the step. You're going to quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo reappears. So I'll do volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to the side button just like that. And just keep on holding on to that side button after you quickly press and release the volume up, volume down together, one after another. And then you hold on to the side button, wait till the screen goes completely black. And once you see the Apple logo, you let go of that side button. This is known as a forced restart, which basically shuts down the phone software, reloads the code. So if it's a software related issue impacting your speaker not working the way it should, especially after a software update or something, it'll go ahead and fix it. Again, will not delete any of your data. And if it doesn't work for the very first time, just keep on trying it. Remember, it's volume up, volume down, and then you hold on to that side button. And finally, when it comes to troubleshooting all and every software related issue, you want to go into your settings, general, software update, and update your phone to the latest version. If there is an update out, it's going to show up here, and you're just going to go ahead and update it. And that's all you need to do. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.